And we're looking forward to what one-on-one has in store. I can feel your passion around education, and I share that as well, because I know education changes a nation. That is why I left the corporate world as well, to push and to educate and empower persons around their finances, because we have to lift each other. That's the only way we're going to really see true and lasting development. So thank you so much for being on. Any parting words, anything you want to leave with us?
Keisha, I must tell you for the fantastic work you're doing. I'm very proud of you. I'm very excited about people like you who willing to go and do it for those people that needs it the most. You and I came from Augustown. I from Hermitage, you down there from Augustown. And I must tell you this, Keisha. It's so important that we go back and we show people examples that are there right now. Many people are there. Many people are in situation right now that they're not seeing a way out. They're not seeing any future. It looks very bleak. All you can see is the man and the woman on the corner rubbing out them on the middle. And you see that and you say, boy, I cannot think beyond that. But here you have Ricardo Allen and you have Keisha Bailey, who have come from those same walls that you see now and making moves. My God, you can do it too. And that's the power that I'm saying, Keisha, that I feel that I have a responsibility.
We have it, man. We have to
deliver. And so, Keisha, very proud of you. Guys, look out for one-on-one. Look out for one-on-one. I am one.
One. Can't one no more. Trust me.
Yeah, man. Big up.
So thank you for being here. We also are going to be having our big event September 5th. 4th, next week, September 4th, 5 p.m., Hermitage Park. We're going back to talk the things with people from the community to share our journey. So looking forward to that. Ricardo, you want to share any details? And then I probably can touch on it.
Yeah, man, absolutely. So Minister Williams, Fayval Williams, will be hosting our Youth Entrepreneurship Summit in the park. That's Hermitage Park. In Hermitage, Augustown. Myself, Keisha, straight out of Canada, she'll be there, right?
Yes.
Just touched down in the park. You know
coming straight just for this. Yes.
Just for this. Now we have Tyrone from iCreate, and then we have Lauren from Blue Dot. You know, we're gonna be sharing with these young people, young, old, whatever your age, no matter your age, what you say, your stage or your
age.
Come. And we're going to be talking and trying to empower people just so that they understand kind of, you know, you're here, how to get here, that sort of thing. So, you know, it's very exciting. September 4th, 5 o'clock. Don't miss it. Hermitage Park. Don't miss it.
Here. Yes, as I said, to miss it to this. You have to roll out and be there to support.